I can't get my hair to actually do what I want it to today. Hey guys, it's Tina. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing something that I do periodically, and I've done since I started my channel, and that is kind of sort of giving you guys an update of where we are as far as my channel goes and where I plan on going. And I am feeling very blessed because I have broken the 400 mark in subscribers. I think our family is now up to, I believe, 418, and I feel very privileged about that. But also too, with that comes change. And one of the things that I wanted to talk to you guys about is how I'm dealing with that change. And I thought maybe if I put what's in my head into perspective for those of you out there that don't have a YouTube channel, that maybe you could get why sometimes this is a little bit, it seems like there's changes that are happening on the channel and you might not be sure why. So as the channel, I think it was about once I decided to do, to concentrate on doing makeup and very like streamline the channel, you know, with the name change and everything. One of the things that I said I was going to do is I was not going to put out as many videos as I used to. And the reason that I did that was because I wanted to concentrate on putting out more quality videos than actually the amount of videos. Now, the good part about this is that I am in a constant state of learning when it comes to how to edit, how to shoot the videos themselves. I feel like every time I'm presenting a new product, I'm learning more and more and more. The downside of that is that it does take me longer to, well, or so I thought, that it's going to take me longer to get the views because I'm not putting out as many videos. And also too, you're constantly worried about the algorithm on YouTube. Like, aren't my subscribers going to hear about my videos? Well, another thing that I noticed was that I really had to work on having product to present to you. Now, being that at 400 subscribers, you are basically an infant on YouTube, like on the grand scale. And therefore, you don't have companies coming to you and saying, I will give you this for free. Thank you for sharing our product with your audience. I don't have that privilege, okay? So, you know, do I get certain things for free? Sure, once in a while, but not like you think I do, some of you. So in order to have product to review and to do first impressions, I have to purchase it, which I'm not complaining about because girlfriend likes her makeup, okay? And I'm learning so much. It can be frustrating and very worrisome for me because I'm kind of like, you know, when I'm waiting for my subscription packages or whatever, I'm like, oh my gosh, you know, am I going to get to do a video this week? And it's like a panic. And I'm starting to learn to kind of let that go that, you know, I have to be at peace with that, because if you start letting yourself get that stressed out in your YouTube infancy, what's going to happen later on? Okay, so that's one thing that I feel like I'm getting a handle of. The other thing is, when I do put out a video and it is successful, like I'll leave it at the end of the video, the card. Actually, maybe I'll put it in a card up here so you guys can check it out. I did tart the winter, I think it was the Winter Wonderland, and it got like, I don't know, 600 views or something like that. Like I've never had that in my life on YouTube ever. And one of the things that I learned is, okay, this video was successful. Now I have to study it and figure out what I did in this video that my subscribers and a wider audience appreciated. But on the same level, I can't obsess about it, because, you know, you also don't want to make the same thing over and over again. Like creatively, I want to be open to what, you know, all the stuff I got going on in my head. So it can be a little bit much. And then the other thing is the reality of saying 400 people. Like, if you guys think about it, we've all gone to weddings. That's like either one honkin' big wedding or two pretty significant weddings. And all of us at one time or another have been in a room with a couple hundred people. And I myself have been in a room of 400 people. And that's a lot of people. And it's a lot of responsibility. So when I do put out videos for you, I want all 400 of you to be entertained. And I want you to feel the freedom to like or not like, or give me feedback. I want that. I was asked about giveaways, and it's not the first time that I've been asked about that. And I thought that this was the perfect time to tell you why I don't do them yet. See, yes, it is kind of frustrating sometimes when you get products and then, you know, either I have doubles or I can't use them because the coloring's not right or whatever, and you don't want to throw it out. So yeah, I give it to people I know or whatever. But the reason that I don't do giveaways is because, see, when you're small, I would have to, sure, I could make up a pretty basket or whatever, but those 400 people that I told you about, they're not all in one place. I have 400 people, but they're scattered all over the world. So if I were to do a giveaway and somebody in another country won, I have to pay out of my own pocket to get that gift there. That's a lot of money. And I don't have that kind of money to be able to do that. And if I am going to do a giveaway, I would want to know that I could afford to do it and do it right, where I'm not having to limit a giveaway to just my Canadian subscribers or just Canada and the United States. To me, that's not fair. So I want to be able to get to a level on YouTube that I am not favoring one place above another. I hope that makes sense, because that I don't want to show that kind of favoritism, because to me, This platform is a responsibility, and if I'm going to do my channel, I'm doing it my way. And that means every single person that hits that bell, okay, that is a privilege. I'm privileged that they hit that bell. I don't care where they come from. So if I'm running a giveaway, they deserve to have an opportunity, just like anybody else, to be able to have a chance to receive something. I've done a lot of research on this, and for those of you that have been, that also have channels, if you're questioning it, I'll put a couple videos below from where I did my research, and they're really good. Really good suggestions on about, not doing giveaways till you hit, the 3 to 5 mark and all this. And it's not that I'm taking that literally, but I think that it's, there's a lot of merit. And also too, guys, remember, everything that I do on this channel, I do by myself. From, paying for the products, taping the, recording the videos, doing all the editing. I didn't know how to do any of this when I started. The only thing I knew how to do by myself was makeup, but like in my title, I'm not a makeup artist, okay? So I want to go through the process of growing with you and evolving and going through growing pains. I don't want to be rushed. You know what I'm saying? I want to do all of that evolving with you. And my hope and my dream is at some point I'm going to be able to share those things with you. That I'm going to be able to join up with, brands that we all know and love and be able to offer you things. I dream about that. And one day my dream is going to come true. Because even though I'm almost 50 years old and I got a whole lot going against me because of my age, because really being 50 is not old. It's not, okay? But on YouTube and in the beauty community, which I'm like this much of it, like a little tiny speck of it, okay? I am freaking old, okay? You guys have to understand, I am David going against Goliath. But I've never been afraid of the odds. So am I going to win? Am I going to be at that level someday? You're damn right I am. And when I am, you damn best believe that I'm going to give back. Because you guys, to me, have been awesome. And like I've told you from the beginning, I really do love you like mad. You guys have a great weekend. Bye for now.